we are stuck in the cycle of birth and rebirth. Then, how can we escape from this cycle? The past karmas are the cause of this rebirth. What we do today becomes our future. And what did you do yesterday? The result is what you are today. So, what did you do in your past life? The result of those karmas is that today you are enjoying a good fortune, good health, good status, a higher job, a high profile. And the result of negative karmas that you did in your past life is that you are born in a very poor family, you are low profile, job status is not high, you are not a good businessman, a big businessman, or you are working hard just to earn your bread and butter. You are facing misfortunes in every aspect of life. The result of your past karmas, the karmas of your past birth, the account is settled when you are born. No karmas are left behind, because at the time of death, what did you do throughout your life? Your soul, you may say Jivatma, your soul changes body, changes from one physical body to another, that's all. But the account has been settled. As suppose you worked hard, now today you worked hard with your studies, so you are either an engineer, a doctor, a good businessman, a high profile status person in the society. But if you didn't work hard with your studies, you did not devote much time with your business, your job, you are not at very high status, you are not earning too much, your living standard is not high because of your past karmas. We did not work hard, you did not do justification, you did not invest proper time. That is the result, what you are today. In the same way, what did you do in your past life? The result is that either you are born in a rich family, in a good family, in a well-off family, or you are born in a family that is poor, that is not well-off, that is not so rich. It is all because of your past karmas, and the account is settled. Balance sheet, no balance, balance sheet nil. So you must not get confused that our past karmas are still with us. The account has been cleared at the time of your birth. When you take birth, the past account is clear. Because on that karma's account you are given birth. When a child is born, either in a rich family or in a poor family, what is the difference? No difference at all. It is because of his past karmas. The soul is just changing body, and because the past karmas have not been so good, it is bounded to go either at a higher or at a lower status according to those karmas, but the account is clear. No balance sheet. It is the total suffering that you start here in this world with a hardship or with a good luck, with good fortune. How much support you are getting from your parents, it is because of your past karmas. Your health, your status, your job, it is because of your past karmas. If you have done positive works, positive jobs, positive deeds, positive works, good works in the past, then you are born in a good family. If you have done negative, not good jobs, not good works, then you are born in a poor family. That's all. Then what to do? Either think positive or negative, you will be reborn to enjoy your positive works and to suffer for your negative works. The cycle of birth and death is not broken. You will have to suffer or you will have to enjoy. But you will have to come in this world for both of your actions, positive and negative. You will have to come in this world. You can't escape this. Then it's just the same as an atom. If it is divided further, an atom, the smallest particle of a matter, if it is divided further in electrons, protons and neutrons. Electrons are negatively charged, protons are positively charged and neutrons have no charge. If you behave like neutron, then you will have no charge, no karmas, no rebirth. Either you do positive works like protons, negatively charged like electrons. You will have to come in this world to pay for, to suffer for your good, to enjoy, to get the reward, to get the bliss of your positive karmas, and to be a sufferer because of your negative karmas. It has been decided at the time of your birth. But how can we escape from this theory of karmas, death, rebirth? How can we escape? Only meditation is the way. In meditation, there are no thoughts, neither positive nor negative. No positive action, no negative action. You are just neutral. If you are neutral, then there are no karmas. Then there is no karma, no balance sheet. No balance sheet means now you are not desired, you won't be sent in this world for further actions because you have cleared your account. You have crossed the limits. You crossed the limit of this world. Now you are in upper circle. Your energy level is changed. During meditation, first what happens in the beginning, that your mind, your thoughts comes at rest. your thoughts come to at rest, they just stop. Mind is at peace, totally peace, no thoughts, no working. Then what happens? You are totally neutral, neither positive nor negative. So you are free from the circle of life and death.